Mastering quantifiers. Many, much, few, and little. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome to our next fascinating journey into the world of English grammar. Today, we're focusing on some crucial little words that pack a big punch. The quantifiers: many, much, few, and little. They help us quantify or show the amount of something, and it's essential to understand how and when to use them correctly. So, let's dive right in. Let's start by getting to know these words a bit better. Many and much are used to refer to a large quantity of something. The critical point to remember is that many is used with countable nouns, like apples, cars, books, whereas much is used with uncountable nouns, like water, sand, love. Few and little are just the opposite. They're used to express a small quantity. Few goes with countable nouns, and little with uncountable nouns. Now, it's time for some practical exercises. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. Fill in the blanks with many, much, few, or little. This activity helps you understand the usage and context of these quantifiers. 2. How, blank, much, many, time do we have left? 3. I have, blank, few, little, friends in this city. 4. There is, blank, much, many, milk in the fridge. 5. Correct the errors. Identify and correct the mistakes in the use of many, much, few, and little in the following sentences. 6. There is many water in the glass. 7. I have few money in my pocket. 8. She has little books on her shelf. 9. Role play. In pairs, have a conversation where you each use at least 5 sentences involving many, much, few, and little. This will not only enhance your understanding but also improve your speaking skills. To wrap up, let's test your understanding with an assessment quiz. 1. Choose the correct quantifier. I have, blank, little, few, patience for such nonsense. 2. True or false? There isn't much cars in the parking lot is a correct sentence. 3. Fill in the blank. He has, blank, many, much, reasons to be happy. You can jot down your answers and check them later to see how well you've grasped the topic. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at many, much, few, and little. I hope this has helped you better understand these tricky quantifiers. Remember, practicing these exercises will make their usage become second nature to you. Keep studying, keep practicing, and you'll master the English language in no time. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next lesson. Happy learning!